We are walking through the steps to perform a gear operating setting procedure for the Apollo LD or WD-151 Resilient Seated Butterfly Valve. Before installation, gather your tools and materials, including butterfly valve with gear operator. Installation tools. Please refer to the written IOM located on our website at any time for additional details on product storage, pressure and temperature ratings, flange and pipe compatibility. Complete instructions. The gear operator has two limit stops for full open and full closed. When operating on the system, the pointer should be near the center of close marking. Ahead of commissioning the system, verify the setting that the valve should be adjusted to by referring to the written IOM. Make sure that the valve is fully closed and unscrew the top plate on the valve. Remove the screw bolts, the top plate and the rubber padding from the valve and set aside. Next, you'll need to adjust the gear operator. Once the screw bolts, top plate, and rubber padding are taken off the valve, turn the gear operator on the valve to fully open the valve. The disc in the valve is now parallel with the pipe. Refer to the written IOM for the appropriate stud and bolt specifications for adjusting the valve. To adjust the gear operator setting, loosen the lock nut and turn the head bolt accordingly with a wrench. You will now need to replace the top plate. When the gear operator is adjusted appropriately, put the top plate back on. Start by adding the rubber padding, then the metal plate, and then the screw bolts. Put the stug bolts into the valve in a crisscross pattern. Refer to the written IOM for further details. Use a screwdriver and follow the written IOM to tighten the bolts back onto the top plate. Refer to the written IOM on our website for full installation instructions.